So due to feedback from our viewers, we're going to do a nice little upgrade today, and that is, wait for it, we're going to yellow our lamps.
Welcome to Butler-HQ.
So let's crack on.
But what I say, don't worry about a little bit of water
No.
when you take your 540 bumper off all sports or any bump with intensive washer system, because it's just the pump leaking a little bit.
Well, it should come out nice and easy because it's been off that many times.
But normally it's just, you have to pull.
You have to pull like so and just clips
And
out.
there's a couple of clips on here you have to take out.
Yeah.
But apart from that, it's have it out of a job. Once
No,
it's not
really.
once. And there's plenty of videos of us taking them off in detail.
And so I'm going to do these lamps, the inside lamp. So you can either take it all out or do it easily by just removing the chrome bezel.
The bezel.
The bezel with the bezel. Yeah,
That's one off.
it is one off. And the bezel. Get that.
And that, people,
That
is
one is a screw
why.
in. So yeah.
No, I was going to say,
Yeah.
that there is why we can't have nice things. That is salt, and the car has not been used all winter. It gets used a couple of times in the summer, and the salt. That's why English car guys can't have nice things, because of this crappy salt everywhere. Crap.
Crappy salt.
And why Dad's getting that round off, I'm going to use some turtle at scratch, repair and renew on the middle light, just to get rid of any dirt, road traffic and all that bad stuff, so it sticks.
And another reason is you don't want to clean them with polished here.
No,
No.
you grab something with abrasives in, no wax, no fillers, and definitely no polish. No good using your mum's polish on your headlamps or your girlfriend's, because it just ain't going to stick, making the car look better. Also, it'd be a good time to either clean your bezels, or if you've got darker colour E34, shadow on them. So if you can see it on camera, but they do look quite clean now. Dad's still fighting with this
Plastic screws, which have sort of
off camera. Dad is still fighting the curse of a
flipping plastic flipping
screw. But what we're going to do is we are going to get one of our rings, and we're going to mark it around there with a pen, which I forgot, and then we're going to cut it out. So Dad's finally got the trim off, and he's cut his hand in the process.
again.
Now I think if we get the size of the
bezel.
bezel, we can have a bit of extra to play with. Once we've got and that is the light lens thing to cover. I'm going to go over to your light, making sure I'm visible. Zoom. And I'm going to offer this up, I'm going to see. You have to work all the air bubbles out. It does curve quite well. If you was remember, it's only going to be the finish. Is only going to be as good as your headlights as well. If there's loads of cracks and stuff in them, it's going to show in the finish. So that's why you give them a good polish before you do it. Then I'm going to get a Stanley knife and trim around the edge. Once you've got your Stanley knife, you want to cut just at the end of a light, like so. We're cutting the dies. When you put, that's a bit of a, make sure when you run your ring in, try to get a nice finish, just cleaning your ring up. Same procedure again. Put it on. We're going to reverse it this time around. We don't know if you reverse it or not. On this side it was only just for the foggies, but we needed to reverse it, otherwise you were thinking about it. Again, we've got another one. Back to the car. Put this off in here. You press play? Yeah. When you put it on, I found to keep it more taut when you put it on. It's easy to put on. I suppose you've had a bit of heat. That would help as well. once you're just happy with the finish, trim around the edge. Try and get the edges all tucked in as well as you can. So you'll find that protective cover. Talking off, that gives you that nice yellow effect. And that is a tint your front light to yellow. We'll put it all back together and then we'll have a closer look.
So a mod done as a result of viewer demand
On Instagram.
So
Yeah,
another one
give it.
done. As requested, that's how you fit yellow tint to your E34.
So if you did like this video, please like, subscribe, and as we do on all our videos now, what you do, a shout out.
Give it a shout out.
So after this video, once I'm ready tonight, I'm having a cup of tea, I'll go on Instagram and I'll find somebody who's used the hashtag BUTLER-HQ and BAM! You'll be in the video, your car will be in the video, and you'll be the car of the video. How cool is that? So, anything to add?
So keep your comments coming along, yeah, and we'll see you next time.
On Instagram, on Facebook, in the comment section below. And also, just enjoy our content.
Yeah.
That's all we ask. Enjoy the content, get involved a bit, share it around with your friends. But until next time, thanks for watching.
And bye bye. Bye bye.